How to auto-duck audio and music in Premiere Pro. To begin, I added 2 audio layers to my timeline. The first one is a speech and the second one is music.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia.
Here I want to increase the music volume when the narrator is not speaking and lower the music volume when he's speaking. First, select all of the audio parts that are speeches in the first track, and from Window menu, open up Essential Sound panel. In the Essential Sound panel, click on Dialogue button to mark the audio layers as dialogue. Now select the music layer and mark it as music. Check the checkbox next to ducking to enable it. Here we can duck the music against dialogue, sound effects, and other audio types. But I only select the first option, which is dialogue. Now set sensitivity, which is the threshold that triggers auto ducking, and set the amount of duck you want to add to music. Set fade duration, which is how long it takes for music volume to increase or decrease. And click on Generate Keyframes. There are no exact values here, you just need to change these values and generate keyframes again to get your desired result. Now double-click on the music track to expand its height. And now we can see that Premiere automatically created these keyframes on the music volume line.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia who had a love for all things creative. She had a...
If you want, you can change the settings and click on Generate Keyframes again to get a different result. Also, to remove the keyframes, right-click on the Amplify effect and select Clear. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.